I want information about Yashvardhan Chaudhary right now. Tell me first, no matter where you see his car, okay? Then check all the CCTV footage right now from the palace to Mumbai. Check the footage from Mumbai to Lonavala and Lonavala to Pune. And let me know fast, okay? I'm waiting. Yes.
What happened, sir? Do you need someone's information right now?
About Yash.
Mr. Yash?
Yash is missing. He left the palace in an angry state in the morning.
What?
And now no one knows about him. Only a servant has seen him while leaving. But he has not taken the driver. His phone is switched off. I'm very restless now.
Sir, what if he's gone to Neha's house?
Neha's house? No, it's not possible for him to go to Neha now.
Still, what's the problem in asking once? He would have gone to some place where he would not want to be found. A place which is not even in your mind. I will call Neha once and ask.
Fine.
Hello? Yes, tell me, Shefali.
Neha, did Yash sir come to meet you?
Yes, and here? After all that has happened, there is no chance of that. What happened? Why are you asking this? Today, sir did not come to office?
No, he's not in the office. I mean, he's not at the palace either. He left without saying anything to anyone in the morning. He didn't even take the driver along. There is no news about him and now his phone is also not reachable.
What are you saying, Shefali?
One moment. Hello, Neha. Listen. I knew that you will panic. You please don't stress yourself. You calm down. Don't worry. The search is going on.
No, it's not that. But where did he go? Didn't he say anything?
Neha, everything is messed up.
What happened?
Actually, Uncle Vishwajit told Yash the truth while trying to put forward your side. That how his parents died due to the accident caused by Uncle Vishwajit and everything else happened. Yash is very stunned due to this. I mean, he got very angry and then went and questioned Grandpa up front. He was furious. Now he has started to feel as if everyone in the house is lying to him. He feels that everyone is cheating and hiding something from him. And he left home with that anger. But there's no way to find out. He switched off his phone. He did not even take anyone along. Alright, listen. Listen carefully to what I'm telling you. If you get a call from him, I don't know if he will call you in anger or in total annoyance or he will call to ask you questions or for some other thing. But if you get a call from Yash anytime, then let me know, okay?
Yes.
Yes, and you don't worry. I will tell you if I find out anything. Bye. Alright, bye. Now I want to make some other calls. Bye.
Sir, you don't worry. We will find him.
Mom? You're speaking to Almighty?
Yes, dear.
I have told you many times. If you speak in the ears of the mouse, then your prayers will reach fast to God. If you cannot it, then I will do it. What do you want to tell Almighty? Do you want anything? New dress, new sari. Sister Goody asked for a bike for herself. And Ojas said that his mother asked for a job for her brother. If we ask from Almighty, then we will get everything. Tell me, what do you want? Tell me, what do you want to ask? I will tell the mouse.
No need. I will tell him. Almighty, Yash is missing from home since the morning without informing anyone. No one knows where he is, and even his phone is not reachable. Please. Almighty, please take care of him and bring him home safe, please.
Mom, are you speaking about friend? And friend knows all the ways, and he will come for the veneration in the evening. He is not picking your call. He will be busy at work. He would need to finish work fast, right? Yesterday I had told him to come to pray Almighty. And he had promised me he will never break his promise.
Really? If he has promised you, then he won't break it.
Papa, I have brought tea.
Yes. Do you have any news about him?
There is no news, Papa.
At least his phone must be ringing. One moment. His phone is not ringing. I will call Sameer.
Oh, yes.
Grandpa's call. Yes, tell me, Grandpa.
Listen, Sameer. How's Yash? I have not met him. That's why I am asking you.
But I have also not spoken to him. He's doing back-to-back meetings. Your grandson is working. Yes, he has kept himself so busy with work that he's not getting time to think about anything else. Everyone has a different way of handling things, right? So he's keeping himself busy in the same way.
No, that is fine. Did he eat anything?
No, he was not eating anything, but I insisted him to eat something and then he had food. But he has eaten out, don't worry.
No, you did the right thing. Hey, Sameer, take care of him. A friend is only more helpful during such times. You take care of him, okay?
Yes, don't worry, I'm there.
Yes, Sameer is along with him.
That's really good.
Sorry, Grandpa, I was lying to you. Yash is not in office or doing work. He has gone somewhere. And even I don't know as a friend where he is. He left without saying anything. Even the driver is not there with him. I wonder where he has gone. I'm just clueless. Yash, why are you behaving like this? Think about your family. Think about Grandpa. Think about me. At least tell others where you are and what you're doing. Have you eaten food or... I'm tensed about what will happen.
Hey, come on, everyone. Come for the veneration. Aunt Jadhav, come for the veneration. Aunt Lele, come for the veneration. What are you looking at? Come for the veneration fast. Mom, is it done?
It's done. Everything's done. Pari, what are you doing outside, dear? It's time for the veneration. Come. Are you waiting for someone?
No, my friend will come.
Neha, Yash is going to come?
Aunt Pari feels like that. I mean, she is sure of it. She had called Yash for the veneration.
Come on. Let's start the veneration. Yes.
No, my friend will come. Mom, my friend.
Your friend will come when he wants to. You also come for the veneration. Come on. Shall we start? Yes.
Friend!
Did you start the veneration before my arrival?
No!
I told you that I'll come, right?
Yes. Mom, look, friend is here. I had told you that friend will surely come.
Almighty, thank you. Yash is here. I was about to lose my life. Thank you, Almighty. Thank you for your grace.
Mom, don't put too much camphor. We need camphor for tomorrow too.
I will get camphor.
Mom, take the veneration plate fast. Friend, forward your hand. Friend, your hand is very red.
It's okay, dear. No problem. Give me the offertory.
I was putting camphor, so it means the plate would have got very hot. His hand seems burnt. Let me see.
It's okay.
Yash, you are so hot.
My goodness. Neha? Neha, his hand is burnt badly.
No, it's fine, Aunt.
No. It's not all right. Go, get some medicine, okay? Go.
Yes.
What is this, Yash? You should say. It's burnt badly.
The veneration was going on, that's why.
Fine. Go. You also go in. Apply the medicine. Go on. .
Everyone, leave the house. Leave. I don't need anyone. You want to leave me, right? Every one of you, leave me.
What is this? You drank again?
What do you mean? I'm not scared of anyone's father.
But you had promised me that you won't drink again in your life. Then why did you drink?
Promise? Whom did I promise? Did I promise you? No, right? That I had given Pari. She came here and changed everything. That's why I told her that I won't drink. Where is she? Pari left leaving me, right? When she had come to this house that time, everything had changed, so I promised her, right? She left leaving me. She left. First Neha left. Then Yash left me and went away. Do you know why? I had told him everything about the accident. That's why he left. I should not have told him about the accident. I had kept it hidden for so many years. Why did I tell him about the accident? He didn't even hear me out. I don't know when he left, why he left, and now he left. He didn't even tell me once. He didn't even tell me that the accident happened by mistake. Mithila, he didn't even tell me once. I'm speaking the truth that the accident happened by mistake. But no one tries to understand me. It's been 25 years since I'm trying to get out of this, but I can't. Papa, he didn't forgive me. But how does he treat me? He used to treat me as a stranger. Due to that, I started to drink to get out of all this. The mistake happened. The accident happened by mistake. Did I do that on purpose? But no one understands it. All of you leave me. All of you can leave me and go. I don't need anyone. You want to leave and go, right? Then go. Why do you want relations and other things then? What? Why do you want it if you want to leave? Hey, tell me, why do you want it then? Huh? I don't need anyone at all. I don't want any relations at all since everyone keeps leaving like this.
Hey, what are you saying?
Why do you want to go? Why do you want loved ones? Huh? In the end, no one stays back with you.
What is wrong with you? People who want to go away will surely go. But our own people support us always, right?
Oh, no one stays back with us.
I'm there, right? I'm there. Our baby is there. And our Yash. Yash is also there. He will not be angry. He's just shocked. And shouldn't we give time to overcome that shock? You please stay silent. You don't worry at all. Everything will be well. Everything will become normal like before. You just calm down. Sister, look at him. He again drank.
He drank again. Yeah, I can see that. Oh my goodness, Mithila. Addiction is like this. It doesn't go away easily. Oh, I'm feeling very bad looking at your condition. I mean, if I say that this is all because of your unborn baby's fate, then...
Sister.
Okay, no, let it not be that way. Let's consider it's your fate, okay? But did you understand that because of whom this is happening? Neha.
Neha?
It's happening because of Neha. Just see. She came. She won over everyone in this house and then, while leaving, she shook everything. Vishwajit was not able to tolerate this. He has such a weak heart. And you don't see that. You are still taking Neha's side. Mithila, get alert at the right time. Your family life is just getting started, and now this has happened. My duty is to warn you. I'm doing that. Now, you can take it any way you want.